Hello everybody, good afternoon students. It's me Mamta Rana, your math teacher, and today I am going to teach for class 6 optional math, and our topic is Cartesian product. Okay, and in previous class we already read about order pair. Yes, x and y, x comma y, this is the order pair. Yes, and x is called x coordinate and y is called y coordinate. Yes, x is called abscissa and y is ordinate. Yes, about this we already read. And order pair, they are closed by small bracket and they separated by comma. Yes, about this we already read, and today we are going to read about Cartesian product, and I have written here the definition of Cartesian product. So let's read it. If A and B be two non-empty sets, then the Cartesian product of the set A and B denoted by A cross B. Yes, A cross B is defined as set of all possible order pair, yes, order pair x, y, such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Okay, to be a Cartesian product, we need two set A and B that should be non-empty set. Okay, in A set there must be some elements, and B set also there must be some elements. Okay, we need two sets that must be non-empty. Okay, it means non-empty means in A there must be element and in B also there must be element. Okay, let's take a set A, there is an element A and B, and another set, let's take B set, there is A, B and C. A, B, then C, D, E. Different letter. Let's use different letter. It must be easy to remember you, understand you. So, set A. We take set A comma B. It has two elements, A comma B. And set B, it has three elements, C, D, E. Okay? According to our definition, if set A and set B, yes, set A and set B, they are non-empty. Okay, then the Cartesian product of set A and B, the Cartesian product of set A and B, they are denoted by A cross B. Our definition says that the Cartesian product of A and B, they are denoted by A cross B. Okay, A, this multiplication sign, product sign. Okay, A cross B, we read as cross, A cross B, okay, not A multiply B, we read as A cross B, okay. The Cartesian product of set A and B, they are denoted by A cross B and defined as, how to define the Cartesian product of A and B, then they are the set of all possible order pair. Okay, look here. The Cartesian product also the order pair. The set of all the order pairs. X, Y, yes, order pair is in the example of x comma y. So x, y, such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. This x, that should be the elements from A set, and y, the order pair of that y element, that should be the elements from set B. Understand? A cross B. How to define A cross B? How to define the Cartesian product of A and B? We have to list out all the order pair. Okay, we have to list out, we have to set here all the possible order pair. Okay, that order pair should be in the x and y form. Okay, and this X mean the first element. Yes, the first element that should be from the A set. Yes, A set, and the second element that should be from the B set. Okay, so let's take. We are going to write down here the possible order pair. Okay, possible order pair like this, and here the order pair. Here should be the first and second element. Yes, the first element that should be from A set, and the second element that should be from the B set. So first element A, comma C. Second element from B, and first element A, that D, A, comma D, and A, comma E. Okay, understand? A and the order C, A and C, that makes the order, and A and D next order, and A and E another order. Okay, and from second elements B, B and C, B, comma C, and B, comma D, and B, comma E. Okay, now we completed, and we don't have the another element here. This is the Cartesian product of A and B. Understand? Understand or not? Okay, so next example, A equals, let's take A and B, and next element, next set B, let's take 1, 2. Okay, and what is the Cartesian product of A and B? That A cross B, what will be? Yes. Okay students, now methods of representing Cartesian product. Okay, first method is set of order pair. How to represent the Cartesian product? By using set of order pair. For that, let's take the set first. Let's take two set. Let A equals 1, 2, and B equals the set A and B. And the Cartesian product is A cross B equals 1, 2. Set A. The elements of set A, 1, 2 cross set B, A, B. And I have told you the Cartesian product means set of all the possible order pair. Yes, set of all the possible order pair of these two sets A and B. Okay, let's make the order pair from the set A and B. So 1, the first element from the set A, 1, and the second from B set, 1, A, and again this 1, B. And next, second element of set B, 2, A, and 2, B. Okay. This is the set of order pair, all the possible order pair, and this is called the Cartesian product of A and B. Okay, and by this we can represent the Cartesian product in the form of set of order pairs. Okay, here A, 1, A, 1, B, 2, A, and 2, B. These all are the set of order pair. These are the order pair. Okay, and next method is mapping diagram. Okay, let's do. For this, you have to draw two oval here and set A and set B. And what are the elements of set A? 1 and 2. And elements of B, that is A and B. Yes? And now map it. 1, will map to first A and again 1 to B, and second element to that will map to A and again to B. Yes. By this also we can represent the Cartesian product. Yes, this is called mapping diagram. Okay, now at last you write the answer here. A cross B equals, okay, 1 and A. We match it first. Yes, 1 and A and 1 and B. 1 and B, and next 2 and A and 2 and B. Like this we found the ordered pair. Okay, here. So like this we can find out the Cartesian product by two methods, set of ordered pair method and by mapping diagram. Okay, your homework is page number 8. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Do all, okay, your homework. Yes, you complete your homework and send me in messenger. Okay, if you have any confusion then you can ask me through messenger also. Okay, thank you students.